Hello, it's Molly and Naresh again from the YouTube channel Realize Guyana. And today we're going to be introducing you to yet another, maybe the most popular snack you have here in Guyana. And that's no other than Pholouri. And it goes very well with mango sour. So I'll be showing you that today. And we are here on the west coast at Anna Katrina, close to the market. And we're going to be checking out some Pholouri and mango sour today, guys. So we are here in Anna Katrina at the cane juice stand here, as you can see. It's early in the morning, market day, Saturday morning, and this place is packed. We have pepper and sour marinara. So here is our Pholouri snack, and we're gonna add some of the popular mango sour to this. So this is our Pholouri snack here, guys.
Free chicken, is that?
And this Pholouri, of course, goes with a nice cold glass of peach juice.